All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today, as always, busting out that calculator, we're going to do some calculations here because we're comparing CLM and dripping CLM at their NAV versus investing straight into KLIP. Now, what I want to do in this video is I'm going to go through CLM. I'm going to take its dividend percent. I'm also going to take its net asset value, and we're going to take these premiums, add them together, and see if they are a competitor to KLIP's 51% dividend. If that sounds good, please do stick around and watch this video. I do want to say we are up to 1,059 subscribers, currently getting 3,341 views in the last 48 hours. That's pretty incredible. And we are a growing page. Our last video uploaded over 10 hours ago just got about 400 views, which is pretty fantastic. So thank you to everyone who's watching. But without less of a further ado, let's get into this one. So we're talking about Cornerstone Strategic Value Fund, CLM. Now CLM currently trades at about $8.37, and it has a dividend yield of about $17.42. Now, off the bat, $17.42 is pretty fantastic. I'm just going to put this into the calculator. And when looking at their NAV, their net asset value, they trade about $7 flat, meaning like taking their current stock price and this 19.4% premium or discount gives you this $7 NAV. Now, what does this mean? On all dividends reinvested on this $8.37 price point that you purchased it on, you're going to receive $7, an average share price purchase of $7, which is a 19% discount. So we can do 19.4 added to the total 17.42% dividend yield, which gives us a total return of about 36.82. Now, when looking at this, you're like, okay, that has no comparison. Sure, we got the $17 dividend. We've got the $19 19% discount from the NAV, but the thing is that's not even close. You're still like about 14% off from KLIP. But the thing is, Cornerstone actually does appreciate in value. Over the long run, you could see it depreciated, but if you were to pick it up at a fantastic price over the last year or so, let's give it about this marker right here, $7.37, you'd see that with this, you'd actually be close to this 51% range. And what I want to do is I just want to bring up my calculator again so it's easier to see on two different ones. And I'm going to show you how this is actually pretty close. We're going to take $8.37 and subtract it from $7.37. As you might have guessed it, we got 1%. So, or one total. But what we need to do now is we need to go, I did it backwards, guys. Holy smokes. Wait, hold up. Let's do it together. Stay with me here. Boom. Okay, we got it. So now we're going to subtract this from 1, and that's going to give us our total percent. So we got 11. We'll call it 12%. Let's be nice here. So we're going to add 12% on this. And as you can see, now we, in total, are getting a 48% return from our KLIP shares. Now, when comparing this to KLIP, you can see it's slightly less. So investing in CLM is pretty close to getting a 50% return from KLIP. And as you guys might know, KLIP does overall kind of go to the downside just because it is a covered call strategy ETF. And with selling covered calls, this stock price tends to depreciate a little bit over time as you collect premiums if the stock performs a little bit stronger in the downturn than it does in the upturn. But with CLM is a fund that holds a bunch of different other funds, and they are a pretty diversified holding. They do hold a lot of stocks. They hold the biggest stocks in the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones, which are some of the biggest companies in the US stock market. And that's why I wanted to show you, because I wanted to show you some kind of competitive yields. You might think, okay, CLM with a 70% dividend yield and dripping at the NAV is pretty good, but also a little bit of stock price appreciation in there, which makes it more competitive to KLIP. I hope this video did kind of open up your eyes to show you that although an investment might not seem super amazing at the start, even with this earnings per share, An investment can be good. You just have to look into the fundamentals and look at what it really pays with this NAV and this discount percentage and a potential appreciation over time. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and it opened your eyes to some new possibilities of investing. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do subscribe, as we'll definitely create more videos just like this. I'm currently going to be going on a short camping trip soon, so I'm not going to have a video until next Tuesday. I hope that is okay. I hope you guys stick around, and I will see you guys then. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy your days forward, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.